Well, guys, the new car.
Wow, it's very nice.
This thing is mint, dude. Just bought it, just drove it. Everything works. Come on, take a look at this interior. Not a rip or tear in sight, which is incredible. Daily drove it for 2 years, over 2 years. Thing handles nice. It's very quiet, so first thing, muffler's chopping. After it gets a good clean, of course. It honestly drives too nice. I'm gonna beat the shit out of it. Sorry. Drove good, pulled nicely. Very quiet. All the buttons work. Stay tuned for the new money pit. You know?
Well, yeah, and you got a deal.
Yeah, I got a deal. $200 off. I probably could have gone lower, but
he was so willing to accept that.
I know, dude. I was like, I should have just offered him like way less. Should have lowballed him, dude. I felt bad though. Like, it's so nice.
Yeah, no, I think you
I
paid
think we both got a good deal.
Yeah.
Watch it be the wrong model.
I mean, I just stands for fuel injected.
Yeah, no, just the 8 matters. The 2.8.
He just swapped that.
Basically an M3.
When they resprayed it, they just put a 328 on there.
Yeah, I have no way to check, honestly.
Bruh. It's just before and after. Jesus. Go ahead, man.
See, this is good because on the last car when I bought it, I was like, ugh, this might have been a mistake. When I drove this, I said, good job.
Pristine paint.
Oh yeah, you like that? Oh, papi moñeño, oh fucking papi moñeño mañana. Oh yeah, you like that, you little slut.
Yeah, I'm blurring this for sure.
I can't see in there. I'm just gonna have grease all over my pristine interior.
Okay, so we got the sports bottle with brake fluid. You got the new one. We're just gonna take a swig of that one. So what are you pouring in there?
Juice. Special sauce.
Wow, that is very clear.
Yeah. Stuff we pulled out, not so much. I can feel my eyes melting already.
It'll tell you right here what it wants, so .4.
Love and affection.
Me too. Oh, that's not.
Your life, bing bong. We're gonna bleed the brakes today. So you always start furthest from the cylinder, master cylinder. So we're in the back right, and we'll go the other side, and then that side, and then we'll do the clutch because they're all connected. Because that's the way BMW does it. If I can get my croissant in here. This wrench sucks. I'll try my baby one.
Habibi,
Habibi.
inshallah, we will bleed the brakes.
What's up, mother? So I had to go buy a wrench. Hopefully it works. Yep, it's rounded.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
I don't know what else you want to do.
Cry, bro. I don't know. Oh, okay, easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, big boy vice grip. Are you
Holding.
Oh! How long do I do it for?
Until it starts like bubbling.
Okay, there's bubbles.
Okay.
Okay, closing. Closing.
He's leaking all over.
I know. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Make sure you do the fill plug first in case, you know, you get the drain plug out and you can't get the fill plug off. You're kind of without oil.
Just beat the devil out of it.
Perfect.
Me on the toilet.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, I think that's it.
Yeah. We got the scissor going in the Beamer.
Wacky slush.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Some different angles. Ooh. One faster.
That's what she said.
So this is how you know it's full. It's just when it starts leaking over.
Yeah, you can see it right here. Here's the stream. Oh, now I can't even like lock it. So there's an issue here. I can't even turn the car over now. So that's good. So the steering wheel's locked. Oh, it's gonna get metal shavings everywhere.
I know, you're gonna have to vacuum.
It's car. I just got it. Okay. And you basically just drill in the center of this and hope for the best, right? Oh, yeah. Look at all those metal flakes. Oh, damn it,
And then we size up and try and get the little springy boy out.
And if this doesn't work, then...
Calling cars for kids.
Run it in reverse.
Put it in reverse, Tear!
I see the spring, I think. Oh, God, dude. I just clean this. Roll myself over. Oh, where'd the spring go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's like, it definitely like is in, it's in there. It didn't come out, but it's like sideways now. So it should work. So I drilled out the hole. It's right here. I drilled this hole out. There's a spring. Yanked that out. So if this doesn't work, car for sale. Real cheap. Thank God, dude.
All right, initial thoughts. How does the clutch feel? Crash into your own car. No balls, you won't do it.
Oh,
Transmission?
good. Clutch. Very light.
Which is better because before it was felt like you're.
Oh yeah, the clutch was literally like so stiff. I was like, does this have like a freaking stage 4 clutch? Like,
Which is nuts that the guy drove it around that long and he was just like, oh, this is fine.
yeah, he's like, yeah, that's how I bought it. I'm like, well, I drove a legit drift car and it wasn't this stiff, but did have a lightweight. Like that one had a lightweight clutch, so it still engages very high, I think.
How do the brakes feel?
Oh yeah. Good.
Okay.
I think it's safe to say the fluid was much needed.
Yeah.
Cool.
No cop, no stop. Yeah, traction control. Gotta delete it. See, unplugged, bro. That was kind of sad.